Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you solve your WhatsApp video is not downloading problem. If your friend or if your any friend send you WhatsApp video on your WhatsApp inbox, but if you cannot download it, so what should you do? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that step by step, so please stay watching carefully and don't skip any step. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all, you need to launch on your Google Play Store, and then you need to search out for WhatsApp Messenger. There you can see this is my WhatsApp Messenger, and you need to check out your WhatsApp Messenger is updated or not. There you can see there have a option for update. That means my WhatsApp Messenger is not update, so you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger. Then you need to less back, and then what should you do? You need to just open your phone settings, and after open your phone settings you need to search out for apps or apps management option, but my phone have only apps option, so just open it, and then you need to go manage apps option, and then you need to search out for WhatsApp from here. There you can see WhatsApp, open it, and then you need to clear all data. At first you need to clear all data, and then what should you do? You need to just go permission, and then there you can see you need to allow everything from here. You need to allow everything from here. Then what should you do? You need to less back, and then you need to open your WhatsApp from here. You need to open your WhatsApp, and I hope now this problem, your WhatsApp video not downloading problem is solved. And if now any friend send you WhatsApp video, any friend send you on your WhatsApp inbox, send any kind of video, you can download it and watch it. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.